So we're going to start by finding the mean for Q. And again, the mean of the difference is going to be the difference of the mean. So that's going to be the mean of C, the amount that Pete collected, minus the mean of D, the amount that Aaron collected. Yesterday, we calculated the mean and the standard deviations for C and D. The mean of C was 562.50. Mean for D was 542.50. So the mean for Q is the mean of C, 562.50, minus the mean of D, 542.50, which gives us a difference of 20. Now in this one, they also want us to interpret each value in context. And we're taking the amount that Pete collects and subtracting the amount that Aaron collects. And so what we're saying is that on average, that difference is going to be $20. And specifically because it's positive and we're doing the amount that Pete collected minus the amount that Aaron collected, we're saying that Pete is collecting more by $20. So Pete collects $20 more than Aaron on average. Oh, than. I did it again. Let's try it one more time here. Now to calculate the standard deviation, first we're going to need to calculate the variance. And the variance of Q, even though we're subtracting, when we're measuring spread, we're always going to be adding the values. So the variance of Q is the variance of C plus the variance of D. And again, yesterday, we got that the standard deviation for C was 162.46. The standard deviation for D was 165.03. So to find the variance of each of those, we're just going to take those amounts and square them. So we have 163.46 squared gives us the variance for C. And 165.03, the standard deviation squared, will give us the variance of D, which comes out to 53,954.07. And so then to find the standard deviation of Q, all we have to do is take the square root of that variance. Which gives us about 232.28. And again, they want us to interpret that. And this is the typical amount that the difference between the amounts that Pete and Aaron will collect will vary, typically. So the difference between the amounts collected by Pete and Aaron will typically vary from the mean, which was $20, by about $232.28. So again, the idea here is that we would expect typically for Pete to collect $20 more than Aaron, but that amount could vary in either direction by up to $232.28. So it wouldn't be unusual if we were above or below that $20 amount by up to this much. So in other words, it wouldn't be unusual if Aaron collected more than Pete. It wouldn't be unusual if Pete collected more than Aaron by up to about $252. So that's the amount that it could vary in either direction.